Good morning, sports fans. Mike Skudnig coming to you from Marco Island. Beautiful day. We are back at the construction site on Worthington, backing up to Mackle Park. We were here a couple days ago, showed you the framing and insulating that was going on. Once they get all the rough framing in, they start fine-tuning it a little bit, like putting these cross-blocking in, putting these frames in for slider doors. So wherever you see this little, it looks like they literally nailed a pallet to the wall. That's a frame for a sliding door, a pocket door. They seem to be becoming more and more popular, these pocket doors. A lot more popular than when I was younger. Looks like all the insulation is done. I probably should identify these rooms as I go into them. Here's the den. Behind the den is the master bath. These are master bedroom closets and hallway to the bath. Here's your master bedroom. Great view out to the park. Just walk right out your door to Mackle Park, the jewel of Marco Island. All right, well, if you have any questions about new construction or building a home, get in touch with me, Mike Skudnig with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, 219-406-6482, 219-406-6482. Mike Skudnig with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty. Again, we've partnered with Nova Homes on this project. It's Thursday, October 24th, 2019. Make it a great day.